And the angel of the horn is Israfil alayhi salam. Since the coming of the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam, he put the horn ready to blow into the horn. And he doesn't take his eyes off the throne of Allah because he thinks he has to blow the horn anytime. It's very close to sound the Qiyamah. Nobody will be left on the earth when the horn is blown except the worst people. Before that, every Muslim will be dead. So just before the horn is blown, there will be a time when there will be a wind, a warm wind that will come. And that warm wind, it will cause every single Muslim to die. Every single believer will die. And the Qur'an will be raised up. It will be taken out from the people and it will be taken from the Mus'haf. So the Qur'an will be raised back to where it came from. And the believers will die. And nobody will be left on the earth except the worst of creation. And those people will be the people that when the hour comes and the horn will be blown and those people will die. Everyone else is already dead. So now everybody is dead. Those people who died before and those people who died when the horn was blown. Then there will be a gap of 40. The narrator, he said, 40 days or 40 years or 40 months. He said, I don't know what, but I remember he said 40. When the second horn is blown, the people will get out of the grave and they will race. Like it will come out very, very quickly. It won't be like they get out and, rub your eyes and I've been sleeping and where is this place? And they will come out very quickly and they will be very scared. Why will they be scared? They will say, "Man ba'athana min marqadina." Who got us up from that place where we were lying down? هذا ما وعد الرحمن وصدق المرسل. This is what Allah promised us and this is what the prophets told the truth about. So everybody is woken up. When they are woken up, what will they be like? Okay, two things I'm going to tell you really simple. The first thing is that they won't have any clothes or any shoes. Now you might think that people would be looking at each other but they're going to be so scared about that day that they're not even going to notice that they don't have any clothes because they're so scared of what's happening. And the second thing is, whatever somebody died doing will be raised up how they were in this life. The animals will be raised up with them. So right next to them there are all kinds of animals. Who knows? Lions, tigers. But they're so scared they're not even noticing. And the sun comes to them so close, it comes to them the distance of a mile. Some people, the sweat will go up to their ankles, and some people it will go up to their waist, and some people it will come over their mouth. So if you are in the situation on the Day of Judgment and you're waiting for the judgment to start, the sun is burning, there's no shade, no water, people are running around. On the day that a person will flee from their brother and their mother and their father and their wife and their children. They're scared. They don't want their mother to take one good deed from them. The prophets will say, "Nafsi, nafsi." What do the prophets say on that day? My Lord became angry today with an anger he's never been angry like it before and he will never be angry like it again. The prophet says, I'm worried about me. And they go to Adam, they go to Ibrahim, they go to Musa, they go to Isa. And every single one of them says, "Nafsi, nafsi," myself, myself. So they will go to Muhammad sallallahu alayhi wasallam. And they'll tell him, and Muhammad ﷺ will say, "Ana laha." This is my responsibility. So Muhammad ﷺ will go to Allah's throne and he will make sajda, he will make prostration, sajda. And Allah will teach him new ways to praise Allah, any new words of praise, ways to praise Allah that he didn't know before. And then Allah will say to him, "Ya Muhammad, raise your head up and ask for what you want and your intercession, yani what the people asked you for, ask for it and you'll be given it." So he will ask Allah to start the Day of Judgment.
If you like the video, thumbs up and please do subscribe the channel. Also press the bell icon.